Hey y'all, welcome back to MathRescue. I'm Andre and I make content to take away the stress of learning math. In this video, we're going to focus on the power property of logarithms. This lets you move an exponent down in front of the log and simplify expressions quickly. Take a deep breath, we're going to slow this down, break it apart step by step, and make it feel super easy. Let's talk about it.
Alright, so we have the power property of logarithms that we're going to be working with here. It says use the following to approximate the value of log base 3 of 625. Alright, let me go ahead and write down my original problem. So 625 is a really large number. I also have worked with math long enough to see that it's a power of 5. What you can do is you can build out a factor tree for that, and you would eventually see, so actually let me just do it real quick. So 625, I could break that down into let's see, 25 times 25, and then I could break each of these down into 5 times 5. And so that kind of shows it. This is really just 5 to the 4th power. All right, here's where it gets interesting. Here's where we're going to go ahead and actually use that property. This is one of my favorite properties in mathematics and all of K through 12 math. I just love how clean it is. So basically what the power property says is that we can take that exponent that was sitting on the argument of our logarithm, and we could just make it be a coefficient. We love that. So let me show you what that looks like. We end up getting 4 times the log. Alright, from here, if you're doing it by hand, you would be stuck. However, they gave us this little tidbit of information before we began. So I can just go ahead and do a substitution there. I know approximately what that logarithm is worth. I know that it's just about 1.465. So then I could just go ahead and do the multiplication real quick, and I get, we're approximating now. I get about 5.86 for that logarithm that we worked out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. I post videos regularly. My goal is to make you feel super confident in math. See you in the next one.